guys, it's me Casey, and today I'm going to do a room tour so you can see it in the back of me. And I got a new case for my iPod. I'll show you that in my case collection part 2 iPod 4. So yeah, let's get started. So you first have a door, that little window sticker in my bathroom. On your left, turn to this, have this. Stuff with for my nails and like the nightlight, the bandana under it from Disney World, then like this thing, then these, and down here these are my books. I have other books, and then these are just random containers and a crystal and a mouse my mom made, and a bookmark with the adult. Then behind the little tires, there's an maps and that. Like little thing, my trash. And then there's my bed, my bed. There's my rainbow blanket with this blanket on it. Then this I just got yesterday. It's a really soft towel. And I have pillows. I just have a lot of pillows, all these cute pillows. And then I have this for nightstand. And I open it. I have cases from Kendall, earrings, just that random thing, and chargers, sunglasses. Then above that, I have my really fuzzy lamp. It's unique. It's very slow. Then tissue box with this little thing on it. I'm gonna go get the camera. Then Pokemon cards. And then like the thing left me in my next room. The color, I don't want to show you the color. And then this little puffy thing. And above that is a like candle you switch on and off with the bear holding it. Then next I just have my toy chest with random things on it, so you don't really need to pay attention to that. And then I have a stool and my really fuzzy chair. It's so fuzzy. Okay, now, next, I have this juice table with a toy on it. And then I have stuffed animals like kids behind it. One stuffed animals, the cable, and toy games on that. Then back here, I have all the delicious. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13, 14, 21 nail polishes, and then a big thing, cheetah, and this thing is sister bead, and then this dresser, and then here's what it is. On this white dresser, and my jewelry box, a bow, next to that, I love you, my mom got that, picture of me and my dad. Big Pink of Music, so last year. Glitzy Rose, cars. I made this thing that I made a second, then under if I did a basketball. And then this mirror, as you can see my new case, like you hold the on button and then you let go and flash really bright. So yeah, as you can see my new case. I hurt mustaches and show backwards, but that's because it's in here. So try to the one that let me the camera. And a box that I go so I got this hair down. And above this dresser, I have a balloon thing, empty box, a Rudolph bell, and container, colored pencils, and under the Lambo creations I have. And then a pencil case, like little box of beads. Then we put a door here. On it, I don't get wrong. Then I have Butterfly Fairy. And then I have the crossbow. Keep that there. Then I have this box, nothing in it. Really box, and again, inside I have the Here's I Will Halloween. Inside I was a black cat. Then a mustache with bandana, and then in this box is good things. Then in front of my TV, as you can see, I'm watching SpongeBob. I have in here. I'll show it again. Some white thing, the little plastic thing. Bow tie more Halloween, a brush, my remote, and this I have perfume, mine jar, deodorant, then karaoke's, pen, a brush, bracelet. There's others to be here. So that was my overall, as you can see from this, it'll go back to my door. And here's a quick view of the walls. And there are door things up there, stuff when I was like 5 and I glued them on, so I can't really get them off. But I'm gonna do room, so it'll be off. Not off for a while, but I don't really like it anymore, but that's it. So, yeah, that's my whole room. And that's to say, my favorite part about my room is my bed. Look at it, doesn't it look cozy? Butterfly pillows. Okay. And so I hope you guys liked it, and see you later. Bye!